Hey guys, I'm in a restaurant depot here in Austin. It was a big storm and last week, so after the storm get better, we just here for shopping for the restaurant. All the restaurant owners have a big queue waiting for. I'm waiting for 2 hours. Still, I couldn't get in here. Doors are closed. Waiting for here. Look at the parking and look at the big queues here. All the people are waiting. Maybe almost like 200 people are waiting here on the queue, and hopefully we'll get the stuff here and start serving you guys by this evening. We're planning to open this evening, so let's see, we'll get the stuff we needed, and all the delivery options are also very busy here, so hopefully we'll get it and see you guys this evening, probably in a curry kitchen. Thank you guys, see you later.